Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by closing Android Studio and stopping related processes. This prevents file locks and incomplete removals. First, quit the app and use Activity Monitor to force quit any Java or emulator processes. Next, copy any projects, key maps, or settings you want to save to an external folder or cloud storage, because Uninstall will remove config files. Finally, sign out of your JetBrains or Google accounts inside the IDE and note AVD names so you can selectively delete virtual devices later. Now remove the main app and the development tools that consume the most space. Drag Android Studio from Applications to Trash or run sudo rm/applications/Android Studio. App, if you prefer terminal, be careful with rmrf. Then delete the Android SDK directory, commonly at ~library/android/SDK or ~android/SDK, because the SDK holds platform tools and system images. After that, remove emulator files and virtual devices. Finish by cleaning configuration, caches, and support files to fully uninstall. Remove preference and cache folders like ~library/preferences/Android Studio *, ~library/caches/Android Studio *, and ~library/application support/Android Studio *. Also delete ~. Gradle and any project level. Gradle folders if you want a total reset. Once those are gone, empty the trash and reboot to release system locks. If something still appears, search for leftover Android or Studio files in your home and library. Troubleshooting tip: if files won't delete, boot into safe mode and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.